Hello everyone. Welcome to a journey of delicious discovery. Today, we're transforming how we think about managing diabetes. Where managing diabetes isn't about restriction, but about empowerment through smart, flavorful choices. For anyone navigating diabetes, caring for a loved one, or simply striving for optimal health, understanding the power of food is paramount. In 2025, these foods are not just good for you, they are versatile, flavorful, and readily available. They are your allies in maintaining stable blood sugar levels and boosting overall well-being. Get ready to revitalize your plate and your health. Let's redefine what it means to eat well, transforming daily meals into opportunities for vitality and joy. This isn't just a list, it's a guide to a more vibrant life, packed with foods that support stable blood sugar, boost energy, and delight your palate. We're here to show you that eating for diabetes can be incredibly satisfying and wonderfully diverse. Get ready to explore 10 incredible foods that will become your allies in health, making every bite count towards a brighter future. Let's dive into the heart of our discussion, the top 10 diabetic-friendly foods poised to make a significant impact on your health in 2025. These selections are celebrated for their nutritional density, low glycemic impact, and versatility in countless recipes. Incorporating them into your diet can help manage blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and provide sustained energy throughout your day. First on our list are leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and collard greens. These nutritional powerhouses are incredibly low in calories and carbohydrates, yet rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. They contribute to better blood sugar control and offer powerful antioxidants, making them essential for any healthy eating plan. Next, we celebrate berries, such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Bursting with flavor and antioxidants, berries are lower in sugar than many other fruits and packed with fiber. They satisfy sweet cravings naturally while helping to regulate blood glucose levels, making them a perfect snack or dessert addition. Fatty fish, including salmon, mackerel, and sardines, are third on our list. These fish are excellent sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which are crucial for heart health and reducing inflammation. Regular consumption can improve insulin sensitivity and lower the risk of cardiovascular complications often associated with diabetes. Our fourth essential food group is nuts and seeds, like almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds. They provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which help slow down sugar absorption and keep you feeling full. A small handful can be a satisfying and blood sugar-friendly snack, contributing to overall dietary balance. Avocado takes the fifth spot, renowned for its healthy monounsaturated fats and high fiber content. These attributes help stabilize blood sugar levels and improve heart health. Avocado is incredibly versatile, adding a creamy texture and rich flavor to salads, sandwiches, or as a simple, nutritious spread. Sixth, we have legumes, encompassing lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and kidney beans. These plant-based proteins are loaded with fiber and complex carbohydrates, which digest slowly and prevent sharp blood sugar spikes. Legumes are fantastic for gut health and can be a cornerstone of many delicious and filling meals. Whole grains, such as oats, quinoa, and brown rice, are our seventh recommendation. Unlike refined grains, whole grains retain their fiber, vitamins, and minerals, leading to a slower, more controlled rise in blood sugar. They provide sustained energy and contribute to a feeling of fullness, supporting weight management. Eighth on our list are non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, bell peppers, cauliflower, and zucchini. These vibrant vegetables are incredibly low in carbohydrates and calories, yet high in essential nutrients and fiber. They can be enjoyed in generous portions, adding volume and nutrition to your meals without impacting blood sugar significantly. Greek yogurt secures the ninth position, especially the plain, unsweetened variety. It's an excellent source of protein and probiotics, which can aid in digestion and potentially improve blood sugar control. The protein content helps keep you satiated and minimizes post-meal glucose spikes, making it a smart choice for breakfast or a snack. Finally, rounding out our top 10 is olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil. This healthy fat is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids and antioxidants, known for their anti-inflammatory properties and benefits for heart health. Using olive oil in cooking or as a dressing can enhance flavor and contribute positively to your overall metabolic health. There you have it, 10 incredible foods that can transform your approach to managing diabetes in 2025 and beyond. Remember, these foods are not just about control, they are about nourishment, enjoyment, and building a foundation for lasting health. Each choice you make is a step towards a more vibrant, energetic you. Embrace these foods as your allies, experimenting with new recipes and discovering delicious ways to incorporate them into your daily routine. Your journey to better health is a continuous one, filled with opportunities to learn, grow, and thrive. We encourage you to explore, to taste, and to celebrate the power of food in nurturing your well-being. Here's to a healthier, happier you, one delicious bite at a time. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe and press bell icon for more health tips and information. See you in next video.